guys, welcome to Crazy Maali. Today I am going to redecorate this side of my balcony. I have this old plastic almirah which I want to keep as it come in handy to put my gardening things. Will give a new look to this entire wall and this almirah as well. So let's get started. So the first thing I am going to do is clean this wall and this entire side of the balcony. Now I'm going to color this wall. I'm using this blue color because it really looks very fresh, and I'm using Asian Paints Royal Colors here. I'm mixing a bit of white color because I don't want it to be too dark. So let's just see how this color comes out. Now I'm going to patch test before I do the entire wall. So I think this looks really good. Yes, I think it's pretty good. So we'll just paint the entire wall with this color. And here my daughter is really happy to redecorate this. This is our fun weekend project as we can't really go out and we have to do a lot of activities with kids. So we thought this weekend we are going to redecorate this balcony as a family weekend project. And this wall is ready. You can see it has changed the look completely for this wall. Now it's time to redecorate this almirah. So first thing I'm going to do is remove all the stickers my daughter has put on it, and they're quite sticky. It's very hard to remove them. Now finally I'm done removing all the stickers which were on this almirah. I'm going to clean this almirah very nicely with water and soap. And then we'll be redecorating it. So now this almirah is clean and I'm trying to paint on it now. So I'm going to give a window look to this, trying to do horizontal lines with the color. So I'm using masking tape for that. So I'm going to apply this masking tape in parallel lines, one below each other, keeping the same distance, and then I'm going to paint on it. And the last one. Now we want to make sure that the tape is sticking well on the almirah because we don't want any gaps in between as we are going to paint. I'm again using Asian Paints and white color, and I'm doing it with sponge because I want that texture to be there. If I'd be doing it with the brush, it will be plain white, but I want some kind of texture on it. So I'm doing it with sponge. Now this is going to take a little bit of time. I'll be giving 2 coats of this so that I get a nice texture. And yes, while applying, if it goes out where you don't want it, then please wipe it immediately, otherwise it will dry and put a stain. You can notice the texture here. It will look beautiful once the whole almirah is done. So I'm almost done one side of it. I'll be quickly doing the second side as well. And then we'll together remove the masking tape to see how it actually looks. Now I'm almost done for the upper part, and I'm removing the masking tape. Yeah, it kind of looks good. I'm happy with it. And I'm going to reuse this masking tapes to create the below half of almirah, as I don't have much tape left and I can't go out and purchase the new. So I'm going to reuse. This is another level of reusing the materials. And this is the final look, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you like this almirah makeover. Now for this corner, I'm going to put an old rack which I have. I do want to paint this rack, but I don't have any color left, so I'll go ahead with whatever we have. And I'll be arranging all my small plants and succulents on this rack, on this side. Yes, I have lots of succulents and small planters in which I have put plants. So I think this rack is just perfect to keep everything in place. So this is the final look of the corner.